Today, I got me myself a freaking Surface 4. Look how beautiful this machine is. It's like it reminds me of a Mac. Now, this is the 15-inch version. Actually, the Intel version. They don't have NVIDIA yet. But if you can see, really slick. I'm gonna put it on the side so you guys can see it. How beautiful and slick it is. So right now, if you can see, it only has one connection here, and this is for the power on one side. On the other side, let's flip it over. On the other side, we have two connections. We have the Thunderbolt, and then we have a Type 3.2, 3.1, and then we have a jack for audio 3.5. So not that bad. There's not that much selection on this one. Unfortunately, there's really nothing in the back. It's all empty. It's all like the vents. If you see it, vents on the corner. This one's very fragile, so I've seen them where just a little corner shatters and the whole thing shatters. Now to get it replaced is a little difficult, so let's go ahead and set it up and let's run some tests on it. And we're gonna run some heating tests. All right, we're gonna go ahead and do a test on how much heat is generated out of the system. But notice it all generates within here, and it's within the battery and also the vents that's blowing out. Right now we're at 90, at 91 to 90, so it's around 90, and it's pretty concentrated on this area, on the corner area, if you guys see it. But the rest, the keyboard's all blue. And look at my hand. This is hot, and I'm at 97, so it's body temperature. It's keeping it cool right now. But we're gonna put it to the test, where we're going to do a bench test and see how strong it is, and if it gets hotter than 90, 92. And look at the monitor itself. It's very cool. Everything's cool already as it is. We're not putting any pressure on it or anything like that, but we're going to see how it runs when you put a benchmark running in the background, and it's going to push it to its limits. So that's what I want to see. So let's go ahead and do that test. We're going to do the stress test right now. So I'm running a program to push it to the limit, and it's going up to 98, 99. We're getting up there. So this is a stress test, and it's going pretty hot, as you can see.